doing a drywall patch here that this was a laundry chute that my wife no longer needed, or we no longer needed. So I've cut a good square, nice perfect square, and put a piece of drywall in there, and now we're taping it. We're using the general purpose mud drywall compound that it's sold at Home Depot, Lowe's. The general purpose has an adhesive in it, so it's versus the topping and the other mixes that they offer. None of those had the adhesive in it. They work, but not as effective as the general purpose. They call it out, I believe, general purpose, because you can use it for the other coats. This is called the tape coat, first coat, and then the additional coats after this dries. You can use general purpose, but it's suggested to use topping on at least the last coat. So you want to just make sure the tape's nice and flat to the wall. You want to get plenty of mud on the wall initially, behind the tape. Gradually, with each swipe, give it a little more pressure. Initially, I go over it lightly just to embed the tape so it doesn't slide as much. And then I come back and get into it more to actually pull the mud out from underneath. You literally try to pull it all out from underneath, but that doesn't take place. There's a little, it just keeps it enough under there that it stays basically wet with it. If it overlaps a little bit on your other tape, that's okay. Like so. So that's it. That is how you drywall tape joints.